The built-in BERNINA dual feed feature provides upper and lower transport of hard-to-manage fabrics, allowing for optimal visibility and maneuverability. Attach foot 1D. D presser feet are exclusively made for use with the BERNINA dual feed function. They are wider to accommodate the BDF mechanism, and the sole is cut out more to better connect with the feed dogs. Simply attach the BERNINA dual feed mechanism until it clicks into place on the underside of the foot. It's that easy! Now touch the presser foot icon in the upper left corner of the screen. A special presser foot recognition screen appears. Select presser foot 1D and approve with the green check. Increase the length of the straight stitch to 4.0. Place the fabric under the foot and use the freehand system to lower the presser foot. Increase the motor speed by sliding the slide speed control to the right. Begin sewing. At the end of the row, cut the thread using the auto thread cutter. Your BERNINA 820 handles this textured fabric beautifully, transporting both fabric and batting evenly, even at high speed. For another option, use the optional BERNINA walking foot for quilting and stitching in the ditch. The walking foot comes with 3 soles. Select the sole best suited to your sewing needs. We will use the closed sole. Attach the walking foot to your BERNINA 820. Refer to the instructions in your walking foot manual to attach the handy guide. We are using the guide with our grid quilting. A BERNINA unique and world's first innovative function on your 820 sewing computer is the BERNINA Stitch Regulator, or BSR. The BSR foot allows you to do free motion quilting or stitching while it regulates and maintains a preset stitch length. The BSR presser foot reacts to the movement of the fabric under the foot and controls the speed of the sewing computer up to the maximum possible speed. To attach the foot, place the shank under the positioning cone. Insert the plug in the outlet provided on the back of the sewing computer. As soon as the BSR foot is plugged in, the feed dogs are automatically lowered and a special BSR screen appears. You can choose between 2 modes of operation. BSR Mode 1 is selected or active. Use the BSR function with the straight stitch and enhance your creative possibilities by using the zigzag stitch as well. The straight stitch length is set at 2.0, but can be increased to a maximum of 4.0 or decreased to a minimum of 1.0. Increase the stitch length to 1.6. Press the Auto Presser Foot button to raise the BSR presser foot and place the fabric under the foot. Operate the BSR function with the foot control or with the external Start-Stop button when the foot control is not plugged in. By activating the BSR function with the Start-Stop button, the sewing computer sews either continuously at a reduced motor speed for Mode 1 or 1 single stitch for Mode 2. When the BSR presser foot is illuminated red, adjustments like threading or changing the needle, for example, must not be carried out. The sewing computer is still in BSR mode and the needle will engage if fabric is moved unintentionally. If the fabric under the BSR foot is not moved after approximately 7 seconds, the BSR function is automatically deactivated and the red light goes off. Before sewing with BSR, bring the lower thread up to the top of the fabric and sew a few securing stitches to avoid knotting on the underside. To do that, press the needle up-down button 2 times and pull up the lower thread. Press the Start-Stop button to activate the BSR function. Hold both the upper and lower threads and begin moving the fabric just slightly to sew short, securing stitches. Press the Start-Stop button to deactivate the BSR. Stop fabric movement and cut thread tails. Press the Start-Stop button again, then hold and guide the fabric with both hands and keep the fabric in motion, avoiding abrupt movements. For best results, move the fabric smoothly to form the designs or lines of your choice. The faster the fabric is moved, the higher the speed of the sewing computer. A regulated set stitch length is maintained within the allowed speed, independent of the movement of the fabric. If the fabric is moved too fast, an acoustic signal is heard, provided the beeper function on screen has been previously activated or is blue. Simply touch the speaker icon to deactivate the function if the acoustic sound is not desired. Create interesting effects or even write with the zigzag stitch. Touch the zigzag stitch and decrease the stitch width to 3.0. Plug in the foot control. Press the foot control to activate the BSR function and move the fabric simultaneously. Even the zigzag stitches are evenly stitched. With BSR, no matter how slow or fast the sewing computer sews, stitches remain even, giving you the confidence to complete your sewing and quilting projects with success.